Hi, welcome back. So I thought the next video will be about announcing or revealing the next big thing in my shop. However, I still have to set that up, remove this old lathe from this position and edit the video and everything. So it should be a few days. So I thought in between I'll post this fun little SKEW chisel exercise, and this is actually festive SKEW challenge from Richard Findley, and it's a sort of a tree decoration. You can see here it's from maple, and I'm only going to use a SKEW chisel. So this one was practice, and this one I did for Instagram, I believe, and so both of them are pretty close, and we're going to make one more so you can see here, but a little bit slower pace so I can explain what I'm doing. So as always, I start by poking the middle here roughly by eye and turn on the lathe. Like I said, SKEW chisel for everything. So here I'm nice and true. Now the blank is roughly 19 mil by 19 mil square, and then around 6 inches or 150 mil long. So I'll be turning like so. So here I'll have a sort of an entry point for a little hook eye that you can then wrap the cord and hang it on the tree. So this diameter is just slightly less than this cog here, and the width is roughly, I'm using a 3/4 inch wide SKEW, so that's around 19 mil. So just maybe 1/3 less than that. So this doesn't have to be exact, this is just rough dimensions, and I go and make this slightly curved, and then using short point of the SKEW make this teardrop here, and long point just to clean it all the way down. Nice and easy. So that's a little, maybe just a little hump here, so that's okay. So make roughly here, this will be the little cove, and I open up this side a little bit more, like so. And again, with the SKEW, the cove isn't the best solution, the best tool for the job, but for this kind of shallow coves it can be done. So just want to be careful you don't catch the top half of the SKEW. Like so. And after I set up the new reveal, the new machine, then I'm going to make videos about each individual tool, like for instance on the SKEW, how I sharpen it, how I use it, how to use it safely, then on the gouges, then scrapers, and so on. So should be really interesting one, and how would I maybe convert some of the tools that I don't typically use. So should be interesting few months. So nice little V cuts. And this is actually really good exercise for practicing with the SKEW, and just make 10 of these. Doesn't have to be same, but you'll get the grip for the SKEW. And here I want to make half bead again. Again, I'm using short point of the SKEW. Clean up the corner, and I'm going to leave a little flat spot around here, and then all the way up to maybe here. Nice shallow, let me show you, shallow curve, like a scoop, like so. So somewhere around here. Remove all this with a peeling cut. Again. And in those videos where I'll be talking more specifically about tools, then I'll talk about the tool rest height, how you position yourself during the cut, and the movement. I'll show the body movement and everything. So again, nice swooping curves. I don't want to put much pressure with the SKEW on this thin spindle here. Just let the wood come to the tool. So I'm a little bit rough here. I just want to nicely blend that in. So for now I don't get any vibrations, but probably the next cut will yield some of the vibrations since I'm thin here on my leg, and it starts to chatter. So I'll put finger behind the cut, and this one here, this won't suck my finger in, there's enough space, so just lightly press here, counteract the force I'm putting with the SKEW. It's not much, so like just leaning the finger over will be enough. So, and follow the SKEW behind. It's sort of a movable steady rest, if you will. And like I said, I'll talk a little bit more, actually a lot more, on how I use SKEW, how to shape it, how to sharpen it in the future videos, so which will come really soon. So let's go one more cut. Okay, so that will be enough for sanding here. Just a little bit of 240, doesn't take much since this is pretty clean when you do it with the SKEW. I'm just supporting here just in case I don't break it while sanding. Again, this is a really nice SKEW exercise which I highly suggest you try. And you get a little useful something when you're done. You can place it on your Christmas tree, and that is really nice. And a little bit of Scotch-Brite pad just to polish it up. Not sure if I polish the other ones, maybe I use just shavings. You can use shavings from the wood itself. So now just to part it off, again I'll support the cut here with my fingers and just slowly and steady go to very thin point on the end here. Again, don't force the skew onto the wood. Let the wood come to the skew. So now I'm at the point where it will break, like so. And just give it a little twist or bend it one way or another. And just with the sandpaper a little bit on the end, give it a few rubs. And that's it. So you can see here, not quite the same, but they're not actually that far apart. So especially when they stand apart on the tree, it's hard to notice the difference. This maybe top teardrop is a little bit bulky, I would say, versus this one. This is more of a perfect shape. So here you now have the hole to drill if you want to put an eye here, so it's easier to hang. So again, really nice, a simple SKEW exercise, and just practice. The SKEW is everything about practice, and I'll talk more on tools, on every tool that I have, and how I use it and how I reshape it. For instance, like scrapers, which I revealed in a crown giveaway video. So you'll see how I shape different tools to suit my needs. I hope I said that right. Yeah, and if you're going to make something like this, just put a hashtag festive SKEW challenge 23, so we can see it. And yeah, again, I hope you'll try this, and it's a really fun one. And on my Instagram account you can see the one I did. It's on my, let's say, normal pace. I didn't rush it, but I didn't take it slow either. So, and see you in the next video, and that video should be about revealing my dream machine here in my shop. So thank you, and see you in the next video.